Hey guys, what's up? So today we're actually going to be doing the side skirt. So I have everything off here on the side because I just wanted to check what it's going to look like underneath all of our stuff, because this car has a lot of like random bits and pieces on it. So I have the rubber strip off, I have the side cladding off as well. Let me show you. I have these strips, side strips that basically go underneath there. I have the side strips that basically come underneath here. This rubber strip as well that goes underneath all of the side cladding, and then I have the side skirt over there. So I found out that to do the side skirt, that it's gonna sit way lower and actually need to drill new holes. So I thought I could have used the holes from the rubber strip there, but the rubber strip sits a bit too high, so that's not gonna work. And with this fitting the side skirt to where I have to drill the holes is going to be very low. So I'm going to time lapse this part just so that I can figure it out. I didn't do the other side yet. I have to still take everything off here. But the other side is already off, so that's kind of a good thing. So yeah guys, we're going to get this done today. I'm going to get this done today, hopefully. Hopefully everything will go to plan. I'm hoping everything will go to plan, and then we can have side skirts on this car. I'm gonna do this video first before I do the walk around video, because I'd like the car to be at least somewhat there to the point where I know I have every exterior piece done. Mechanically it's only the tensioner that I still need to do on it, but other than that there's nothing else. Yeah guys, I'm really enjoying creating these videos and things, because yeah, I'm actually trying to be consistent with this. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna time lapse you guys with this whole first process. So I'm first gonna mark off the holes, then I'm gonna drill it, and then I'm gonna use like screws to put it in for the time being until I can find proper hardware to do the whole install. So yeah guys, let's get to it. Yo guys, so I got the thing fitted. I got everything fitted now onto the car, or just the one side skirt. So this is what it looks like right now. Yeah, it's very low, very low. So I just have to sort out here in front. So the issue here in front is it got dented at the bottom, so it pushed the side skirt out a bit. Not sure if you guys can see it. So all I need to do right now is I need to sort out that one side with the side skirt, but at the back it sits actually really nice. So that's what it looks like at the back. Yeah guys, then if you guys can see how far that thing is poking out. So it's not supposed to be like that. It's actually supposed to sit completely flush with the fender. So I just need to sort that out over there, and then we should be sorted with fitting this one side. But this is what it looks with the side skirt. If you guys can see that, give you guys an idea. So it's pretty low, and then this is what it looks like without the side skirt. So it's a pretty big difference with regards to that. as you saw in the previous clip, I put the other side on. I actually took both side skirts off right now because I'm gonna clean everything off. I'm gonna basically clean all the dust and stupid things off here on the side. I'm gonna clean the side skirts because I actually wanna respray them a similar silver. So it's just like the same thing that I did to the back, where I just like sprayed a random silver on the back just to make it match at least, because I drive the car. So the last thing I need is traffic cops hassling me with because the back of my car is white and stupid stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna clean off here on the side underneath where all those covers were on, clean that off, clean whatever dust off, spray where I need to, and then spray the side skirt silver as well. So yeah guys, we're making progress. Hey guys, what's up? So the last clip that you guys saw was actually filmed about 2-3 weeks ago. I kind of dropped the ball on revealing like once the side skirts were on and the wheels and everything. So I'm gonna take you guys for a walk around the car quick, and you guys can see what's going on. So sorry if it's a bit windy and things, but this is what the car looks like right now with the side skirts on. As you can see, the side skirt is basically a lighter color than that, and that's because I couldn't match that color. But the side skirt matches the rest of the car really well, as you guys can see. So I thought this was going to be just a quick simple video about just me having done the side skirts, but I actually got something, which was this. So I bought this now today. It's the Samurai rubber skirt, but this is for the lip. So in the box you get the lip itself, as you guys can see. It's actually really nice. Then in it as well we get the sticker. Don't think I'll put that on. Alcohol swab, so for the 3M tape, and then we get some hardware as well. You guys can see that. So yeah guys, this is going to be what I'm also going to be adding into this video. I know my bumper is a bit messed up there at the bottom, but yeah, I'm gonna try and fit that, see what I can do, and hopefully it comes out like I wanted to. I have a spare bumper from the white Mercedes, so as you guys can see, this thing is almost completely stripped down. So yeah guys, I have a front bumper from there that we're actually going to be fitting onto here to repair this, but I just want to test fit the look, see what it looks like, see if it's worth it or not, and then go from there. But yeah guys, I'm super happy. Car came out super nice. I'll do some cinematics for you guys that you can actually see what it looks like. But yeah guys, let's get to fitting this front lip.